Here, water resource. In water cycle process, step is the evaporation process. What? Evaporation. What happened to the evaporation?
Because of very hot conditions, water is evaporated. Water is evaporated and water vapor and water vapor is released into the atmosphere. Water vapor reaches to the top layer. Then here clouds will form. Clouds will form on at the top layers of the atmosphere. Next, from plants. You know very well that from big plants, water is transpirated. It is also then precipitation. Next step is precipitation process. Precipitation. Precipitation is rain. Precipitation means rain. Because of precipitation, water again reaches to the earth surface. Reaches to earth surface. Here, after precipitation process, rainwater like this runs up on the surface of the earth, and ultimately this water reaches to water resource. Like this water cycle occurs in nature naturally. Here evaporation and transpiration. Evaporation and transpiration. Evaporation and transpiration process. Okay. This is a water cycle. Some water is leaked into the soil and it reaches to underground water. Okay, it reaches to water. Okay, this is about water cycle. Evaporation and transpiration, condensation, precipitation, again evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Means these steps here continuously. What will happen? First one evaporation and transpiration, then precipitation, then here condensation, precipitation. Again this. Like this, water cycle is taken place in nature. Okay. Observe. This is about chapter 9. Okay, next another chapter, habitat. Next chapter is habitat. Listen carefully. What is habitat? What is habitat? Here, important is, listen, habitat means it is a part of the earth. Earth living organisms live. This place is called habitat. It's called habitat. Here, habitat provides all the needs of living organisms. Understanding? Place of living organism that provide all of the needs to living organisms which live at their place or that place. Okay, this type of place is called habitat. Understanding? Habitat means it is your place where living organisms live. Okay, next there are different types of habitat. There are different types of habitat. For example, aquatic habitat, next terrestrial habitat, house habitat, house, tree habitat, listen carefully. Like this, there are different types of habitat. Here, let us see first about aquatic habitat. You might have seen different types of habitat. Desert also one type of habitat. Or house, any place that provides all needs to living organisms is called habitat. Here, aquatic habitat. Let us study first about aquatic habitat. Here, aquatic habitat means, you know very well that water habitat. Water habitat. Next, aquatic habitat. Listen carefully here. This is water habitat, water containing region or water resources, water resources. Okay, sir. Here, water is present. For example, wet conditions also means wet soil area, wet soil area. These are also water habitat. Okay, here different types of organisms live. For example, frog. Best example, frog. Fishes. Okay, next to crocodile, tortoise. Like this, different types of water animals or aquatic animals live in water habitat. Understanding? What are the examples for water habitat? Usually tank, next pond, next ocean, sea. Okay, next river. What are the living organisms?
Water habitats. Water habitat. Here, different types of aquatic animals. For example, frogs, fishes, etc. Different aquatic organisms, aquatic animals. Okay, next for different aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. For example, Cora, Spirogyra. Next, Eudogonium. Polysiphonium. Next, Utricularia. Okay, like this, there are different aquatic plants. Next, some Nymphia, lotus. water lily. Like this, different types of aquatic plants live in aquatic habitat or water habitat. Okay, list out all the aquatic plants and aquatic animals you see. Okay, next here when we observe the aquatic environment or aquatic habitats, these type of all organisms get their all needs from the aquatic habitat. All needs of aquatic organisms are fulfilled by water habitat or aquatic habitat. Understanding? Okay, this is a water habitat. Examples already we discussed. Examples already we discussed. Oceans, rivers, dams, small ponds, small ditches. Like this, there are different types of examples of water habitats. Here, largest aquatic habitat is ocean. Largest aquatic habitat is ocean. You know, number of organisms live in ocean. Okay, this is about here water habitat or aquatic habitat. Okay, next here example for this water habitat is pond habitat. What? Pond habitat. What? Pond habitat. You know, when we observe ponds, when we observe pond like this, here surface surface of pond. Okay, observe here surface. What is surface of pond? Next here bottom of pond. Next this margin of pond. Observe here different. This is mid pond. Next here above the pond. Okay, here other side here. Like this, observe there are different types of areas in pond. When we observe pond, this type of regions are present. Here surface of the pond, next to margins of the pond, bottom of the pond, mid region of the pond, like this. Some organisms live at surface area. Some organisms live at mid region of the pond. some at margin of the pond. Some organisms live at the bottom of the pond. Like this, different. Know very well that. Okay, these are important regions of the pond habitat. You might have seen this type of regions are water resources in our villages. Okay, observe. For example, take a tank. Okay, take a tank. In tank, we can observe all these regions. Surface. We can easily observe when we enter into the water. Then we can observe mid region and bottom. Next, while we are entering into the water resource, we feel or we observe margin of the tank. Like this, these are very important regions of the pond. At each and every region, different living organisms live. Okay, this is about water habitat. Okay, now cranes. Cranes also present in pond habitat or water or aquatic habitat. Different types of cranes. Next, crabs. Okay, small insects, small plants, and other water big plants. Like this, different organisms, different plants and animals live in water habitats. Okay, observe all points. Observance. Okay, next tree as a habitat. As a tree as a habitat. A single tree can also, a single tree can also act like habitat. For example, take banyan tree. Take banyan tree. Banyan tree is a big tree. On this banyan tree, number of animals, number of other plants can live. Can live. Understanding? On banyan tree, number of other organisms, means different animals. Next, different types of plants can live on banyan tree. Different animals means, monkeys, very well that. Next, other birds. Next, here, plants means, for example, random and other plants. Okay, other plants. These are different types of organisms. Here, this type of habitat is called arboreal habitat. This type of habitat is called arboreal habitat. Arboreal habitat. Arboreal habitat means tree habitat. If only one tree acts as a habitat, then it is called arboreal habitat. There are different examples. In addition to this, there are different types of ones. For example, some snakes, different types of insects. Like this, there are a number of examples for the arboreal habitat organisms. Are you understanding? Okay, this is important. Remember. Here, say some important examples for arboreal habitat. Write in your notebook different types of animals live at arboreal habitats. Okay, write down. For example, monkey, different types of birds, random plant. Like this, you have to write all the examples for this. Okay, observe. Observe. Write all examples for arboreal habitat organisms. Okay, different birds, snakes, lizards, some frogs. Okay, like this, different. Okay, here are some examples are given. What? Tree as a habitat. When we observe the tree as a habitat, some organisms live on the leaves. Some organisms live on trunk. Some organisms live between the branches. Understanding? Observe. On leaves, on trunk, between the branches. Okay. Next, at different places. In leaves or in branches, at different types of regions or different types of parts, different organisms live. For example, monkeys, they live between the branches. Birds live on the trunk between the branches, leaves like this. Different insects, they also live at different places. Okay, like this. This is about your arboreal habitats. What? Arboreal habitats. Next, forest habitat. Our house. Our house as a habitat. Our house as a habitat. You know, different types of organisms. For example, rats, cats, dogs, like other different types of organisms live in our houses. There are different types of domestic animals. For example, here dog, cat. They are domesticated ones. Some are non-domesticated animals also live in house. Understanding? What is here? House habitat. Here we can observe different types of insects, ants, butterflies, houseflies, dragonflies, mosquitoes, okay, and other different types of organisms. Other different types of organisms, okay, live in our houses. In our house, like this, house also acts as habitat. House also act as habitat. Okay, observe important. Write some examples or animals live in house habitat. Live in house habitat. Okay. Next one, orchards. Orchards means fruit growing plants. Means fruit plants. Growing up fruit plants at a large area is called orchard. Guava orchards, mango orchards, mango orchards, and other different types of orchards. They also act like habitats. Different types of habitats. Banana habitat, banana orchard, banana orchard, mango orchard, mango orchard, guava orchard. Like this, there are different types of orchards. They also act as habitats. They also act as habitats. Remember. Other habitats, forest habitat, forest habitat. Here also very large number of plants are present. Number of plants are present. Where in forest habitat. Here different animals. Example deer, tiger, lion. Like this number of forest animals live in forest habitat. Here also same. Habitat provides all needs to living organisms. All needs to living organisms. Okay, observe forest as a habitat. Okay, next diversity of diversity of habitat. Diversity of habitat in AP. In AP. Usually some in coastal regions or in coastal region. One type of plant, for example, coconut, dairy plants, and other water-based plants are grown in this type of region or this type of plants. Understanding different types of birds live. Diversity of habitat. When we observe the habitats in Telangana habitat is different. Only in some organisms are transferred from one habitat into the another habitat. Like this is over here forest habitat. This is habitat. Other habitat, forest habitat. Observe all important habitats. Here, desert habitat. Desert also type of habitat. In desert, we can observe camel and different other animals. Different other animals. They different animals. For example, camel and some foxes, different types of snakes, like this. Okay, these are different types of habitats.